Welcome to the history of Indian stock market. The journey of the Indian stock market is a story of growth, development and resilience. Let's take a look back at how it all began. The Bombay Stock Exchange, also known as BSE, was established in 1875. It was the first stock exchange in Asia and one of the oldest in the world. Initially, it was a voluntary organization of stockbrokers, but it soon became a recognized institution. After India gained independence in 1947, the government implemented a series of economic reforms to modernize the country's economy. These reforms included the liberalization of the stock market, which led to an increase in the number of companies listing on the stock exchange and a corresponding increase in trading activity. In the 1990s and 2000s, the Indian stock market experienced tremendous growth. This was due to combination of factors including economic liberalization, increased foreign investment, and a growing middle class. The BSE Sensex, which is the stock market index of the Bombay Stock Exchange, reached new heights, and India was hailed as one of the world's fastest growing economies. Like the rest of the world, the Indian stock market was not immune to the effects of the 2008 global financial crisis. However, the market recovered relatively quickly and continued to grow in the following years. Today, the Indian stock market is one of the most dynamic and vibrant in the world. With a growing economy and a young population, the future looks bright for the Indian stock market. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history of Indian stock market. This has been a brief overview of the history of the Indian stock market. Hope you enjoyed the journey.